Now I gotta ride or die.
Hello guys, today we are going to be installing windshield jet spray nozzles on my Audi A5. I bought a couple of these on AliExpress for €13 each. Basically, what they do is spread the windshield washer fluid all across your windshield instead of spraying 3 lines of fluid. Here's how the old ones work. See? 3 lines of windshield washer fluid. So, let's start. Here's where the washers are on my car. Yours might be on the hood or on the wiper blades. They're easy to remove and install. Just pull the whole thing out first. Then remove the heater connector and water line. Install the new one in reverse order. It should click in place. Let's see how they compare. As you can see, I'll need to adjust the height of the new nozzle. It's easy to adjust them. Just take your flathead screwdriver and rotate the screw on the nozzle in either side, like you want it to spray. Let's see how they spray now after adjustment and both of them installed. Much better. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.